Alright, quick tutorial how to make an ellipse with no fill and a 2-pixel line. First I'm going to grab the ellipse tool. I'm going to make sure that my color is set to black. I'm going to make sure that up here my setting is set to pixels. I'm going to make a new layer, very important because I'm going to want to transform this over top of other things probably, and I don't want to destroy them in the process. Right, I'm all set up. Going to make my ellipse. Looks like that. Now what I want to do is get rid of the fill but leave a line. So I'm going to go up here while this layer is selected. Go to Select, Load Selection. Click OK. Now I have that ellipse selected. Next I'm going to go to Ellipse, Modify, Contract, 2 pixels. I'm using 2 pixels because I'm currently working at twice HD size, which is 3840 by 2160. When I reduce this down by half for a final output, then it'll be a 1-pixel line. Okay, so I select that. I'm hitting the delete key, and then I'm deselecting, and there's my line, which I can transform with the transform tool, and it will keep its perfect ellipseness. And that's it for how to make a ellipse line in Photoshop.